Welcome to Express Now. In a refreshing step towards reconnecting young minds with nature, SOCLEEN Youth Wing organized an inspiring session titled Know Your Birds in and around Vadodara. At Anand Vidya Vihar School, nearly 100 students from Standard 9th joined to explore the amazing world of birds living right in their city. Vadodara is not just rich in culture but also a haven for many beautiful local and migratory birds, thanks to its gardens and water bodies. Dr. Sangeeta Patel, chairperson of SOCLEEN Youth Wing, spoke about the organization's mission to engage youth in protecting the environment and introduced exciting events for students. She then welcomed Srimati Avi Sabawala, a biodiversity expert and wildlife photographer, who shared stunning insights about birds like the reddy shelduck, flamingo, kingfisher, and more. The students learned about their habits, roles in nature, and unique features. Curious students asked great questions about pigeon control, bird adaptations, and how to tell males and females apart in some species. Mrs. Purnima Manan, principal, praised SOCLEEN for inspiring students to care for the environment. Thank you for watching Express Now. Please subscribe to our channel.